Hi, hello and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Today is going to be an interesting restaurant style starter recipe which is crispy baby corn Manchurian. This can also be called as crispy chili baby corn or baby corn Manchurian, however you would like to call it. So without wasting time, let's quickly get started. So now for the ingredients, I have taken 1 cup of baby corn cut into like 1.5 to 2 inches size, and 1 medium sized onion cut into cubes, 1 small capsicum again cut into cubes, and some spring onion for garnishing. And we need all the basic sauces as we use for all the Chinese recipes, like the red chili sauce, the chili vinegar, soya sauce, ginger garlic paste, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, corn flour, and also all-purpose flour or maida. So let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour, about 4 to 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I'm also adding corn flour to this just to absorb the excess moisture of the baby corn. So 2 tablespoons of corn flour in this and 1 spoon of corn flour in this. So this you can just gently do it like this, so that all the excess moisture of the baby corn is absorbed by the flour and they remain separate without sticking to each other when we fry. So after adding maida and corn flour to this, I am adding some salt and some pepper. So after adding salt and pepper powder, I am adding water and going to make it as a batter like consistency. Add water little by little because we don't want a very runny batter. The batter shouldn't be very thick nor very thin. Hence add water little by little. So now you can see the batter. The batter is ready. To this I am going to add the baby corns. And giving it a good mix. Mix it till all the baby corns are coated well in the batter. So my oil is nice and hot. To this I am going to add the baby corns one by one and deep fry them till they are about light brown. So I have added one batch here. So in case they are sticking to each other, you can gently press them and they will become separate. So let them become nice and brown. So my baby corns are done. You can see it is nice and brown. So I am removing them from the oil. So same way I am adding the second batch. One by one, adding the baby corns. So you can see that the baby corns are nice and crispy. Generally in restaurants, again they put this in the oil and fry it for the second time. But since we are doing it at home, I am not doing this second time deep frying. I have done it only once. Now I have taken an iron pan to which I am adding some oil. So after the oil is nice and hot, I am adding the onions and the capsicum along with some ginger garlic paste. Keep your flame on high because generally Chinese cooking is done on high heat. To this I am adding little bit of salt, very little salt, because already these sauces are going to have salt in them, so very little salt here. Some pepper powder, green chili sauce, about a teaspoon of green chili sauce, red chili sauce, all 1 teaspoon each, soya sauce, tomato ketchup, about a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, lastly some vinegar, about a tablespoon, and some sugar, about half a teaspoon of sugar. Now giving it a good mix. Now I am adding the fried baby corns to it. If you are comfortable, tossing it like this, then you may do so. Else you can just use a spatula to mix them well. So that's it. Our baby corn manchurian is ready. You may garnish it with some spring onions. We'll transfer this to a serving bowl. So I'm adding some more spring onions for the garnish. So our baby corn manchurian is ready. So you may serve this with some nice tomato ketchup. So this looks so tempting. So try this baby corn manchurian recipe or the crispy baby corn. This will taste so yum. Trust me, you will never miss a Chinese restaurant starter. I'll see you all in the next video. Before that, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Sizzling with Dia channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.